Peace. Healing through inspiration. How y'all doing, fellas? Up. We're not just talking, we're actually living it. About to have some papaya. Papaya, since it's growing out of Guatemala. I haven't had papaya in years. I think I could say a decade, almost, if not close to a decade or something like that, yo. I figured out it's honestly ridiculous. I'm about to have some live on film, man. I'm gonna show y'all this, and I'm about to cut it too. So I think it's like a little bit past, right? But it's like ripe, so y'all gonna see. I got a stickers from Guatemala. Hopefully, I can be able to seed it. Hopefully, I can be able to seed it, because even though like a lot of countries outside of the United States, even though we do know America's an American continent, but based on how they do things, is that they do something to the produce so they can't further reproduce. I know, right? All right. But I'm going to try to do this. I got this knife right here. I'm going to try to do this with one hand. I guess I'm going to try to peel it or something. I don't really know. Like, it's been that long, yo. Oh, snap, boy. Look at that color. Hey. Y'all see that color, boy? See, it's peeking. Let me just get a little smell. It doesn't smell much. Yeah, I think you gotta peel it. Yeah, I gotta peel it. I'm gonna try my best to do this with one hand for y'all. Okay, hold up. Oh, looks like I saw some juice in the inside. Something. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Okay. It smells like kind of rubberish, a little bit maybe. Maybe there's a lot of other smells in here. Let's be real with you. Papaya. I'ma eat this pie. Papaya. That's one thing I don't tell you about papaya. I guess you gotta skin it off. That's oh, let's try this. Okay, I just accidentally paused it. I'm trying to enter the skin. Man, it's got a little sweetness to it. Probably more in the core as I go in there. But I ain't gonna make y'all watch all that. So I'm gonna get back with y'all. Look, y'all, I done rigged it. Ha! So now y'all can see how to open up a papaya. Hey. Trying to make sure it's in the shot, so bear with me. Whew. Mmm. 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 Okay. Okay, it do got some sweetness to it, y'all. It do got some sweetness to it. Hold up. You know, being that I was kind of worried because I haven't had it for so long, I was really trying to make sure it was right. Because, you know, when you don't have a had it for so long, you're really trying to pick through as far as what's going to be the right one or something like that. You dig? So that's why I was kind of worried. And it was kind of like, I was like, I go for the ripeness? It looks green, and they all look green. And it's kind of like, the only thing you can go is what you kind of like, what you like know of. And it's like, the right one is, as far as with watermelon, you guys know, if you guys look in the video, as far as us expressing how to open up a watermelon. is with the seeing if it's got the yellow belly and seeing if it's brown. You know, the brown stem. The brown stem lets you know it's ready to grow pretty much with all your produce. You dig? Ready to be eaten, I mean. Yo, I can't wait to slice this up, put this in a blender. Yeah. Yeah, a little hint on that one. As far as what we doing with this. This is pretty big too, right? Dang, this junk crazy, boy. Junk's crazy. Trying to make sure y'all see it. Oh, snap. Hey, we live, dude. Hey, we live, dude. Hey, we live, dude. All right. All right. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Here we go. All right. Slow down. I just want to get to know you. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just trying to do the last finishing touches of this thing. You know what I'm saying? Cause that pretty little. Make a real sweet like a papaya. Papaya, for papaya.